Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Korean Barbecue. At ngayon, nandito tayo sa St. John the Baptist Church dito sa Calamba, Laguna. Ang St. John the Baptist Church, commonly known as the Calamba Church, is the oldest Roman Catholic Church in Calamba, Laguna, Philippines under the Roman Catholic Diocese of San Pablo. It is located adjacent to the Rizal Shrine and is known as the christening site of Jose Rizal. The stone church was originally built in 1859 but destroyed on February 12, 1945 during the Second World War. The reconstruction of the Church of Calamba was headed by the Eliseo de Maculagan. The original altar was burned in 1862 but immediately rebuilt by Leonacio Lopez. The first Filipino priest, Angel Villacruz, served the longest in the church for 43 years since 1901. The church baptistry where Rizal was baptized on June 22, 1861 by then parish priest of Calamba, Rufino Colantes, and his godfather Pedro Casañas, is a recognized National Historic Landmark. The declaration was made by virtue of Resolution Number 2 of the Philippine Historical Commission, now National Historic Commission of the Philippines, on August 19, 1976 under Section 4 of the Executive Order Number 260 dated August 1, 1973 and amended by Executive Order Number 375 dated January 14, 1974. The original baptismal font was restored, including original church items and reliquaries during Rizal time. A transcript of Rizal existing baptismal record is displayed on the left side of the baptistry entrance. The original baptismal records, including the canonical books, were lost on September 28, 1862, where Calamba was burned.
Let go of the past, I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all